Sa episode na to, tuklasin natin ang makasaysayang Stonehenge ng Georgia.
First will be the biblical history according to Orthodox understanding. Second, our kings and queens, and third will be our activities. So that was made with two reasons. First is the dedication of Georgian statehood of 3,000 years and the Christianity of 2,000 years.
Ang unfinished na istrukturang ito na matatagpuan sa mataas na burol sa bahaging norte ng Georgia, na may natatagong kasaysayan sa bawat haligi nito. Yung pupuntahan natin sa taas. So, dito na tayo mga Jai. So, akyatin natin yan dun sa taas.
It was made actually in Russia during Soviet Union by Georgian actor Zurab Tsereteli, and after 2009 it was transferred here and placed here. So we have three levels of statues. First will be the biblical history according to Orthodox understanding. Second, our kings and queens, and third will be our activities. So that was made with two reasons. First is the dedication of Georgian statehood of 3,000 years and the Christianity of 2,000 years. Because Georgians are counting actually that Christianity in Georgia in 1st century, because Jesus' two disciples entered in Georgia, start preaching, but Georgian people killed them. So Christianity was not extended here, but we became officially Christians in 4th century, 325 in Western Georgia, 326 in Eastern Georgia. So when you go up there, you take a pictures, and other side we have a Tbilisi Sea. So it's the man-made lake for emergency landing.
Pagod kami mga Jai. Ang taas ang inakyat namin. So andito na tayo sa taas. Ito yung itsura niya. Yan. Pero sabi nila, hindi pa daw tapos to. Pero continuous naman yung pag-aayos. Ang monumentong ito ay makikita malapit sa Tbilisi. It was created by the Georgian-Russian painter in 1985, but was never fully finished. Mayroong itong 16 na haligi na nasa pagitan ng 30 to 35 meters ang taas, at ang kalahati sa itaas ay makikita ang imahe ng mga naging reyna, hari at bayani ng bansang Georgia. Samantalang sa ibabang bahagi naman ay naglalarawan ng mga kwento mula sa buhay ni Kristo. Ito yung likod ng Chronicles pag naglakad ka mga Jai. Ayan, meron sila ditong small church. Ang ganda, no? Tapos andun sila iyan. Isa sa mga best view na makikita dito ay ang panoramic view ng Tbilisi. And yan mga Jai, kita nyo naman, hindi pa siya talaga tapos. Nakita nyo may mga ginagawa pa dun sa likod. So akyat kami dito, medyo sa taas. Tapos dun sa may likod, nakikita nyo yung mga katubigans. Ngayon mga Jai, tapos na tayo dito sa Chronicles of Georgia. Ang next naman natin is Jovali Monastery. Wait lang, pababa kasi kami. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa nakita nyo. Wait lang. Saka na tuhod mo. Pero kailangan mo lang talagang kailangan mo lang talagang matibay na tuhod kasi apakataas niya, no. Tapos meron pang atang may photo camera dito, may kakasal. Dito ang kinuha nilang photoshoot. So let's go.